Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
U Menteri Rangba ka Jela, u Conrad Kongkal Sangma, haka Arpsau Terik Urisau at Haja Arpuar, ula Pyllait Paidbah ikakot, balatod u Archbishop, balasongtad u Most Reverend Thomas, Menamparampil, yakabala ay kerteng, value most come alive. Haka jingalang kabalalong, haka parish hall, jongka cathedral parish, halaj umkra. Haka niga jing Pyllait Paidbah ikanikakot, la sakhilang do Archbishop, jongka Jela Nyamba, u Most Reverend Victor Lingdo, kilingdo soblay, Unong Aiktin jongka UCFNEI, u Ellen Brooks, bat kiwe kibala syakot sngubha.
A prolific writer, a thinker, philosopher, anthropologist, educationist, sought-after speaker, both at home and abroad, is a colossal, multifaceted genius. And we are blessed to be in his presence. From the day he began his journey way back in 1955, when he took up his religious profession, it has been a journey of relentless strive, pushing the boundaries.
By Archbishop Emeritus Thomas Menamparampil. Archbishop's interests are shown in his writing are so varied: spirituality, culture, social responsibility, peacemaking, in short, everything that makes a person totally alive, fully human and truly divine. Sculptor's ideas are synthesized and unified by his deep religious experience and by a passionate desire to share them with others. They are formulated with a clear focus, originality and creativity.
I request the gathering to kindly stand.
Everybody who spoke before me, I think we fairly have a good and a great idea about this book that has been released just a few minutes back. And I, in fact, after listening to everybody, really feel honored to be a part of this book release. Because what I have heard from all the different people who have spoken about this book, and what of course we all know about Archbishop Thomas, it gives me great pleasure and honor to be here. So thank you so much for inviting me and allowing me to be part of this, I should say, a very, very memorable and most importantly, a very meaningful book release that we have.
Not one or two, all of us together feel this is important, values come alive, truly. Now, when things go well, when we can rely upon people, we can trust institutions and systems work, when agreements are reliable, promises are kept, then we feel happy. And that's the kind of society in which we grew up. In our tribal society, it is precisely this. Now, we are asking, is it exactly that in present context has time changed? I'm only thinking about dreaming with Mr. Sangma, for example.